Natural way to keep flies away. Use these plants on your windowsill. Imagine waking up to a summer morning free from the buzzing annoyance of houseflies. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, there's a surprising, natural solution that could make this dream a reality. By placing just one specific plant on your windowsill, you can keep these pesky insects at bay without resorting to harmful chemicals. During the sweltering days of summer, flies tend to multiply rapidly, especially in warm, humid environments. With windows often left open to let in the breeze, it becomes easier for them to enter our homes. While it might be tempting to reach for a store-bought spray, these products often contain toxins that can linger in the air, causing discomfort. Moreover, they only offer temporary relief, as new flies will inevitably find their way inside. Instead of relying on chemical solutions, Richard Kale, a specialist from leaf culture, recommends a more sustainable approach. Using houseplants to repel flies. He explains, if you're tired of dealing with annoying flies, consider adding some natural protections like houseplants. These plants not only enhance your living space, but also serve as effective fly deterrents. Certain plants produce essential oils that can confuse and even mildly irritate flies, making your home less appealing. Positioning these plants on your window ledges can create a barrier, making it harder for flies to locate food sources within your home. One of the most effective plants for this purpose is lavender. Known for its sweet, calming aroma that humans love, lavender contains oils like linalool, which are highly irritating to flies. According to Richard, the lavender plant is popular for its vibrant purple blooms and soothing scent. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, it's a potent insect-repelling agent. The essential oils in lavender naturally deter flies. To keep lavender healthy, ensure it receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily and avoid overwatering it during the summer months. Another great option is basil. Its strong scent is disliked by both flies and mosquitoes, making it an ideal choice for kitchen windowsills or outdoor patios where these pests are commonly found. Richard notes, basil is known for its powerful scent and ability to repel flies and mosquitoes. Place basil in sunny areas where flies are a typical problem. For those looking to tackle multiple pests at once, mint is an excellent choice. With its refreshing yet invigorating aroma, mint can deter not only flies, but also ants, spiders, and even mice. Richard says, mint is well known for its fantastic aroma and culinary uses. It serves as a perfect barrier for flies and ants, keeping these insects away from your home. However, it's important to note that mint is a fast-growing plant and can quickly spread if not managed properly. Regular trimming is necessary to keep it under control. By incorporating these natural solutions into your home decor, you can enjoy a fly-free environment without compromising on safety or health. So why not give it a try? Your summer mornings might just thank you. 65p Kitchen Hack. Repel flies with apple cider vinegar trap. DIY pest control. Flies invading your home? This 65p kitchen staple is the solution you need. As the temperature rises, so does the number of pesky flies in homes across the UK. But don't despair. Pest control experts have revealed that a common kitchen item costing only 65p can effectively keep these unwanted guests at bay. With countless DIY pest control tips circulating online, it's hard to know which ones actually work. That's why Clear It Waste, a London-based waste removal company, collaborated with Tony King, owner of professional pest control firm The Pied Piper, to share reliable and affordable hacks that get the job done. One such hack is the apple cider vinegar trap. For fruit flies and house flies, apple cider vinegar traps are an affordable do-it-yourself measure I often recommend to customers, says King. These traps are not only inexpensive, as low as 65p, or just over £2 for branded ingredients, but also incredibly easy to make. To create your own trap, simply gather a small glass or jar, some apple cider vinegar, just over an inch, a few drops of washing up liquid, and plastic wrap. Secure the wrap over the jar with a rubber band and poke several small holes in it. The vinegar's scent will attract the flies, while the soap breaks the surface tension, causing them to sink and drown. Place the trap in areas where flies are commonly found, such as near compost bins, fruit bowls, dishwashers, or kitchen sinks, all popular breeding grounds for fruit flies during summer. While many online hacks involving essential oils, lemon, and cloves offer temporary relief, the vinegar trap has been a tried and true method used by pest professionals and homeowners for years. It's a cost-effective, chemical-free solution that's perfect for the UK's warmest summers. So if you're looking for a simple, safe, and budget-friendly way to combat the fly invasion in your home, look no further than apple cider vinegar, the unlikely hero that's probably already in your cupboard. The coin trick, a simple solution to keep flies away. Imagine this. You're enjoying a peaceful evening at home, only to have it interrupted by the buzzing of unwelcome flies. These tiny intruders not only disrupt your tranquility, but can also contaminate your food and make your living space less enjoyable. As temperatures rise, flies become more prevalent, turning kitchens, patios, and living rooms into their favorite hangouts. In response, many people are seeking natural and cost-effective solutions to keep these pests at bay, steering clear of chemical sprays and electric diffusers. One method that has gained significant attention is the so-called coin trick. But here's where it gets controversial. Does it really work? The coin trick involves a simple yet ingenious process. You fill a clear plastic bag with water and add several coins inside. Once the bag is tightly,